Hello everybody. Hey, I want you to take 10 minutes and grab yourself a cup of coffee here and watch this video. Hopefully you can find something entertaining, informational, and maybe enlightening. Well, I'm going to give you, as quick as I can, information on how to delete your muffler for about $20 or less. So here's your muffler. You got to remove it, first thing you got to do. And you got to release that clamp on there. I found out that that clamp is also welded on the back, so I just had to knock that spot weld off so I could pull the whole muffler off. Once you got it off, I left the little rubber hangers under there. They ain't hurting nothing. You see them up there on the left top corner. They ain't going to hurt nothing to leave them there. So here's what we did after we got the muffler done. All right, we're going to give you some dimensions on this pipe that I had made. So you can make one if you want, or have somebody make one for you. All right, let's get a measurement on the pipe. This one is 2.5 inch outside. There, maybe that's a little clearer. 2.5 inch. Right on the money. From that tip to this tip is 26 inches long. I made it longer than I need because you can always cut it down. Now, you can do it any length you want, but I'd rather throw away an inch or two or have it too short. Now the bend on it right here, this is about a 33 to 35 degree bend. What I did is I took a wire and ran it along here like this. I don't have the wire with me to get the exact shape I wanted. And then they just bent the end and put a flare on the end so I can slide it up over the other old pipe. So that's what we did there on that, and that's how it turned out. So that's pretty simple. Have your pipe maker make you one of those. Pull your muffler off. Get your measurement from there to there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice that right there. So I'm going to use the old muffler clamp, stick that right on there, put it together. Then I'm going to put a clamp back down here somewhere and support that. But that's how you make that. Pretty simple, huh? This is the tool I use to make the slit. Always wear your eye protection. You don't want to lose an eyeball. And I wear gloves when I do it. And there's what she looks like. I split it down about the same depth as the clamp will go on. So this is ready to stick on now. So this is showing you where I put the bracket back on to the tailpipe to hold it in place. You want it rubber mounted if possible, that way it ain't going to vibrate inside. And then I just clamped it up there where I needed it. Now this whole deal, the pipe cost me $16. I went to a local pipe bending muffler shop and they built it for me. I mean, cut it out, 16 bucks. I'm not even going to try to show you the difference in sound. I mean, on video it just don't work. But here's a graph right here. You can see the top two there. They're showing the difference in volume on with a muffler, without a muffler. From the outside, the other bottom two are about inside the cab, and the reason it's loudest on the bottom is because I was talking at the same time. So, up in the top right-hand corner, you can see a link you can click on. It's been on there through the whole video. That will take you to a video that's much longer in this and much more detailed if you want to watch that one also. So, here we go. That's all there is to it. Save yourself money and do it yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Maybe even drop me a comment. I do read all the comments you put on here. It will help my channel greatly.